Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to help yourself locate the XIAOMI Robot Vacuum X20 Max. If you cannot locate it, you can make it say something out loud in order to locate it easier. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, more functions, then find Robot Vacuum.
The robot vacuum is here. The robot vacuum is here.
And as you could have heard, it was saying that it's here. If you couldn't hear it well, then you may want to go to select a language option, turn the volume all the way up, and then either in select a language, select listen, or go back there to more functions and find the robot. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.